Learning the basics of financing can help you determine whether real estate investing is right for you. Financing involves taking out a loan to purchase property and then paying back that money over time with interest. The size of your loan will depend on several factors such as credit score, down payment amount, and income level. It's important to understand how much you can qualify for before searching for potential investment homes. An experienced mortgage specialist can be helpful in obtaining financing for an investment home. They can provide advice on which type of loan would be best suited to your financial situation, as well as answer any questions you have about the terms and conditions associated with various types of loans. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here. Thanks for watching.